Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Football first up, head coach Henry Holcomson says that the Reggae Boyz could have done better against the Dominican Republic in their opening World Cup qualifier on Thursday. The Reggae Boyz won their opening Group E contest 1-0 thanks to a 16th minute strike from talisman Shamar Nicholson. Holcomson says there is one particular aspect they need to improve on as they begin a busy summer.
In general, it was too slow for my taste. We are not used to playing, or these strikers, for example, with all their individual quality, are not used to playing in a two-striker formation. So we need just time to get them to sync a little bit better.
Holcomson also pointed to the strength of the Domrep team.
It's a good passing team. They are good on the ball, and if they are given time, doesn't matter what formation we have, they will always, find the good passes around. So, might have been something in regards to.
The Reggae Boyz depart the island today for the second World Cup qualifier against Dominica on Sunday. Some athletics now. Jamaica's Akeelia Smith defended her long jump title at the NCAA Division I Track and Field Championships in Eugene, Oregon in the USA on Thursday night. Smith, competing for the University of Texas, leapt 6.79 meters to win the event. Now, with the victory, Smith became the first woman to win consecutive NCAA outdoor long jump crowns, joining fellow Jamaican Elva Goldburn, who achieved the feat in 2002-2003 for Auburn University. In other events, Brianna Liston advanced to the women's 100-meter final. Liston, competing for LSU, clocked 10.99 seconds to win her semi-final, the second fastest time heading into the final. Liston, however, missed out on the 200-meter final after clocking 22.76 for fifth in her semi-final. Nikisha Price, competing for University of Arkansas, clocked the second fastest time of 49.87 to qualify for the women's 400 meters final. And Gabrielle Matthews, competing for the University of Mississippi, clocked 56.19 to advance to the final of the women's 400-meter hurdles. Now, coach of Swept Track Club, Akil Stewart, says one of the biggest problems affecting smaller track clubs in Jamaica is the difficulty to attract top high school standouts. Athletes have flocked to the likes of MVP, Racers and Sprint Tech track clubs, that is, after leaving high school. For Stewart, who founded Swept Track Club in 2007, competing with the top three clubs, including for sponsorship, has been a challenging one.
Attracted, a few athletes from different high schools, but most of the lower tier athletes, and we would have tried with them to get them to the next level, but it would have been a struggle because you're not getting the creme de la cremes, and as such, with low financial backing, it's hard to really get to the next level with those ones. But we would have tried, and we would have been making some headways, and that's such why we are still here today.
But he says the fortunes of his club have been improving in recent times, especially with the likes of former Camperdown High and World Under-20 400-meter hurdles record holder Rashawn Clark being at the club.
Adidas came on board and they have been assisting one and two athletes with us. They have signed young Rashawn Clark. Emmanuel Archibald is now with them. Randa White is with us as well as the main athletes. Taekwondo Tracy, although a Puma athlete, is with us. So we pretty much have been surviving in that regards.
And that's where we leave the track for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen, and join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.